Did you know that people don't read your advertisements randomly? When someone looks at a poster, website, or advertisement, their eyes follow specific patterns. Our brains naturally scan information in predictable ways, and smart designers use these patterns to guide viewers toward the most important message. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about layout and composition. Layout is the art of arranging elements such as images, text, and logos in a way that makes a design attractive, organized, and easy to understand. I'll show you how professional designers guide the viewer's eyes using the powerful F pattern and Z pattern techniques, as well as the famous rule of thirds. Let's begin with the F pattern. The F pattern is commonly used when a page contains a lot of text, such as blog articles, newspapers, or long social media posts. Studies show that people usually scan these pages in the shape of the letter F. First, they read the top line from left to right. Then they move slightly downward and read a shorter second line. Finally, they continue scanning vertically down the left side of the page. This creates an F-shaped reading pattern. Because of this behavior, designers place the most important information near the top left corner and within the first few lines of content. If your key message is hidden lower on the page, many readers may never see it. Now let's look at the Z pattern, one of the most important layouts for advertisements, posters, and landing pages. When people view designs that contain more images than text, their eyes often move in the shape of the letter Z. The journey begins at the top left corner, where a company logo is usually placed. Next, the eyes move across to the top right corner, where contact information or navigation menus are often located. From there, the eyes travel diagonally down the page, naturally focusing on the main image or visual element. Finally, they move across to the bottom right corner, where the call to action is usually placed. A call to action is the action you want viewers to take, such as buy now, register today, learn more, or call us today. By following the Z pattern, you can guide viewers smoothly from your brand message all the way to the action you want them to take. Another powerful composition technique is called the rule of thirds. Imagine dividing your design into 9 equal sections using 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. The points where these lines intersect are known as power points. Instead of placing your main subject directly in the center, place it near one of these intersection points. Designs created using the rule of thirds often feel more balanced, natural, and visually appealing. This technique is widely used by photographers, filmmakers, advertisers, and graphic designers around the world because it helps attract attention and create stronger visual impact. So what have we learned today? We discovered that the placement of information is just as important as the information itself. We learned how the F pattern helps organize text-heavy content, how the Z pattern guides viewers through advertisements and landing pages, and how the rule of thirds creates visually balanced and engaging designs. By applying these principles, you can make your posters, advertisements, websites, and social media graphics much more effective and professional. In the next lesson, Part 9, we'll move into an exciting practical topic: choosing the right design software. Should you use Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, or CapCut? Which software is best for beginners, and which one is better for professional work? We'll answer all of these questions in the next episode. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who want to improve their design skills. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.